Hello students, in this lecture we will do some examples based on formation of partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function. Uh, First example is find a partial differential equation by eliminating the function from the relation z equals to y square plus 2f 1 by x plus log y. Here we have to eliminate this function f to make a partial differential equation. f को एलिमिनेट करना है तो सबसे पहले हम इस इक्वेशन को x के रिस्पेक्ट में पार्शियली डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे. जब हम इसे x के रिस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे पार्शियली वी विल गेट कर्ली z by कर्ली x इक्वल्स टू y स्क्वायर. y इज इंडिपेंडेंट ऑन x, सो जब इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ x है तो जब हम इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x वी विल गेट 0. सो दिस इज 0. 2 इंटू जब f को डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे वी विल गेट f डैश 1 by x plus log y and this 1 by x gives minus 1 by x square and log y 0. Now differentiate this partially with respect to y. When we differentiate this partially with respect to y, we have curly z by curly y equals to 2y plus 2f dash. f को differentiate करेंगे f dash 1 by x plus log y. 1 by x is independent of x, so its derivative is 0 with respect to y. Now derivative of log y with respect to y is 1 by y. Now we have to eliminate this function f from these. From equation 2 we have minus x square curly z by curly x equals to 2f dash 1 by x plus log y. इस इक्वेशन को हम इस तरह लिख सकते हैं. सिमिलरली थर्ड इक्वेशन को हम इस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं कर्ली z by कर्ली y माइनस 2y को लेफ्ट में ले गए और ये y है इससे हमने मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया इनटू y इक्वल्स टू 2f डैश 1 by x प्लस log y. हमने इन दोनों इक्वेशन के राइट में फंक्शन कलेक्ट कर लिया क्योंकि हमें फंक्शन को एलिमिनेट करना है. अब हम यहाँ से डिवाइड करके फंक्शन को कैंसिल कर लेंगे जो हमारी पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन फॉर्म हो जाएगी. देन नाउ डिवाइडिंग इक्वेशन 4 by 5. व्हेन वी डिवाइड ऑन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वी हैव माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर into curly z by curly x over curly z by curly y minus 2y into y, and on right hand side we get 1. Now cross multiplying it we have minus x square curly z by curly x equals to curly z by curly y minus 2y into y. We can replace curly z by curly y by p and curly z by curly x by p and curly z by curly y by q. This is the required partial differential equation free from arbitrary function. इसमें से हमने f को एलिमिनेट कर दिया. मेथड क्या रहेगा, जो आपका गिवन रिलेशन होगा सबसे पहले उसको हम पार्शियली विद रिस्पेक्ट टू f डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे, देन पार्शियली विद रिस्पेक्ट टू y. फिर हम चेक करेंगे इन इक्वेशन की हेल्प से क्या हम f को एलिमिनेट कर पा रहे हैं. अगर कर पा रहे हैं तो हमारी जो पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन आएगी वो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर की आएगी. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, obtain a partial differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary functions from this. अब यहाँ से हमें arbitrary functions eliminate करने हैं. यहाँ पर दो फंक्शन है f and g. तो सबसे पहले हम इसको अगेन प्रोसीजर हमारा यही रहेगा, पहले हम इसको x के रिस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे. When we differentiate it with respect to x, we have curly z by curly x equals to f dash x minus ay plus g dash x plus ay. f का डेरिवेटिव f dash x minus ay, g का डेरिवेटिव g dash x plus ay. जब हम अंदर एंगल का करेंगे x का डेरिवेटिव 1 आ जाएगा, यहाँ पर भी 1 आ जाएगा. नाउ when we differentiate this partially with respect to y के रिस्पेक्ट में जब हम डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे we will get curly z by curly y equals to f dash x minus ay and derivative of x minus ay with respect to y is minus a plus g dash x plus ay and derivative of this x plus ay with respect to y is a. Now here we have two functions. So when we differentiate it partially with respect to x and y, we are not able to eliminate both f dash and g dash. So we will move towards higher order derivative. Again differentiating it with respect to x, we have curly 2z by curly x square, which is equals to f double dash x minus ay plus g double dash x plus ay. Similarly, when we differentiate it with respect to y, we have curly 2z by curly y square equals to f double dash x minus ay, and when we differentiate x minus ay with respect to y, we have minus a again. So minus a into minus a become a square plus g dash x plus ay. When we differentiate this term with respect to y, we have g double dash x plus ay, and when we differentiate x plus ay with respect to y, we have a. A is already present there, so here we have a square. Now from equation 2 and 3 we can see, when we take a square common from this equation 3, we have left with f double dash x minus ay plus g double dash x plus ay, and this is equals to curly 2z by curly x square. Therefore from equation 2 and 3 we have curly 2z by curly y square equals to a square curly 2z by curly x square. This is the partial differential equation free from arbitrary functions f and g. Next example, obtain the partial differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary functions from the following: z equals to fxy plus gx by y. Here we have to eliminate arbitrary functions from this, and here we have two arbitrary functions f and g. So first we will differentiate this equation partially with respect to x. When we differentiate it with respect to x, we have curly z by curly x equals to f dash xy, and when we differentiate xy with respect to x, we have y, because y is treated as constant, plus g dash x over y. When we differentiate x by y with respect to x, we will get 1 by y, because we will treat y as a constant when we are differentiating it with respect to x. Now differentiate it partially with respect to y. We have curly z by curly y equals to f dash xy, and when we differentiate xy with respect to y, we have x here. Now on differentiating it, we will get z dash x by y, and on differentiating x by y with respect to y, we have minus x by y square here, because we treat x as a constant here. Now again from these equations, we are not able to eliminate f and g both, so we will differentiate again. When we differentiate it with respect to x, we will get curly 2z by curly x square equals to f double dash xy, and when we differentiate xy with respect to x, we will get y. So one y is already there, so we have y square here, plus z double dash x over y, and when we differentiate x by y with respect to x, we will get 1 by y. So here we have 1 by y square, because 1 by y was already present there. Now differentiate this with respect to y. We have f double dash xy into x square plus z double dash x by y into x square by y4 plus z dash x by y 2x over y cube. Here we have used product rule. When we differentiate it, we will get z double dash x by y, and when we differentiate x by y with respect to y, we will get 1 by. When we differentiate x by y with respect to y, we will get minus x by y square. So this will become x square by y4. Now taking this as constant, and when we differentiate this with respect to y, we will get 2x over y cube. Now we will do some calculation so that we can eliminate f and g. So for this, multiplying 3 by x square and 4 by y square, we have equation 5 and 6. Now, subtracting equation 5 from 6, we have y square curly to z by curly y square minus x square curly to z over curly x square equals to 2x over y z dash x over y. Now we will find out the value of z dash from equation 2 and 3, multiplying equation 2 by x and 3 by y and subtracting, we get this. You can do this, is basic calculation, nothing in it. So we can calculate value of g dash from here. 2g dash x over by y equals to x curly z by curly x minus y curly z by curly y over x by y. Now substituting this value in equation 7, we have y square curly to z by curly y square minus x square curly to z over curly x square equals to x by y into, here we have substituted the value, x into curly z by curly x minus curly z by curly y into y over x by y, and on simplifying it we have this, which is the required partial differential equation free from arbitrary function. अगेन यहाँ पर हमें दो आर्बिट्रेरी फंक्शंस गिवन थे, उनको हमें एलिमिनेट करना था, तो सबसे पहले हमने उसको पार्शियली एक्स के रिस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट किया, देन वाई के रिस्पेक्ट में. बट हेयर we have two arbitrary functions, so we are not able to eliminate these two functions by using first order derivative. So we move towards second order derivative, and with the help of these and by doing some basic calculation, we get the partial differential equation free from arbitrary function.